In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Obsidian notes with drag and drop. This is one of the quickest ways to enrich your notes with visuals, and it takes just a moment once you know what to expect. I'll walk you through the process clearly, give you context for what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few simple tips to keep things smooth. First, go to the note where you want the image. Open Obsidian, navigate to your vault, and select the exact note you're working on. Once the note is open, place your cursor roughly where you want the image to appear. If you like your notes tidy, add a blank line above and below the spot so there's a little breathing room around the image once it lands. This doesn't change any functionality, it just helps with readability. Now, drag and drop the image into the note. Find the image file on your computer. This could be on your desktop or in a file browser window. Click and hold the file, drag it over to the Obsidian editor, and release it right where your cursor is. The moment you drop it, Obsidian will add the image automatically. It saves a copy into your vault, usually in an attachments or media folder if you have one set up, and it places an image reference right in your note. You'll see the image appear instantly in the editor if you're using a preview-enabled mode, or it will display when you view the note. Common formats like PNG, JPG, GIF, and SVG work well. If the image doesn't land exactly where you wanted, no worries. Just move your cursor to the right spot and drag the image reference within the note, or use undo to try again. If nothing seems to happen, make sure you're dropping the file into the main editor area and not onto the sidebar or the file list. Obsidian only adds it automatically when it's dropped into the note itself. On a trackpad, a steady click and drag helps, and on a mouse, keep holding the button until you see the cursor inside the note before releasing. That's really all there is to it. Go to the note you want, then drag and drop the image into it, and Obsidian takes care of the rest. Keep file names descriptive so you can find assets later, and consider the size of your images if your vault is synced or shared. With this simple workflow, you can place screenshots, diagrams, or photos exactly where they help your ideas shine.